Hi everyone, interested in a big makeup gigantic haul? Yes? Then keep on watching. Yes, now if you want to see what I got, I just brief you. I have parcel from Flipkart, MyGlam, Myntra, Smitten, Lakme's own website and Plum. Yeah, now we'll start one by one. First we'll start with the Smitten box itself. You all can see Smitten over here. It's my address, so I can't show you. Smitten. From Smitten, basically I ordered two things. One part is not yet shipped, that is the half part. The partial order is not yet shipped, so whenever it will come, I'll share in my other haul. The first thing is this Bellora BB cream. Bellora Paris BB cream. I've already done a separate review video for this. I think lot of people have not watched this, but when I asked you on my community, lot of you said yes, you all want the review, and when am I reviewing, lot of people, whoever has voted, they have not watched the video. Please don't do that. Go ahead and watch this video. I'll link that video up in the I button, as well as I'll give you in the description box, so you can definitely watch this video. A full in-depth detailed review video is up, so whether to buy or not to buy. And when I placed an order on Smitten's own website, they had some offer that if you buy something from the shop section above 799, you get a monsoon kit worth rupees 599 absolutely free. So if at all y'all can see the box or anything, then please don't mind, because I have very less space and the boxes are very huge and gigantic, so please don't mind. Okay, the first in that particular monsoon kit which I got free, the first one is this Chronocare soap. It is for 30 gram. This is, all things are free, so this is the first item. The second item is from this Saint Botanica. It is a shampoo and conditioner. It is bioactive hair care range. You all can see, these are actually travel size, right? And in this I have already checked, because in my last haul, when I did Smitten haul, in that I had a problem with the expiry, but when I'm checking this particular, the expiry is 9/22, that is September 22. So expiry of this is proper. Even for this also is proper, so don't worry, I don't have to worry for that. Everyone I checked expiry, they all are expiring in 22. Then I have that Sears Secret scalp hair oil, amla and camphor, travel size free. This is the hair oil. So y'all can see, this is the third item. The fourth, total 5 items are there. The fourth product is Chronocare Monsoon Bliss Body Lotion. It is free for sulfate, paraben, silicone and mineral oil, and this is for 30 ml. Even this oil was, one second, I'll tell you. This is for 30 ml. This both are 25 ml, and the shampoo I told you 30 ml. So this is the body lotion which I got, Chronocare body lotion. This is also for 30 ml travel size. And I got one sheet mask from Kaya Youth. It is an oxy infusion brightening face mask. You can see the manufacturing is March 20. So expiry is of course after maybe at least 36 months. They said 36 months. So 20, 21, 22, 23. So till 3 years. Next 3 years you can, I can use this. So these are basically the free products what I got with the order from Smitten. I'll just keep it this way and keeping it aside. Then I have a order which is from Lakme. Y'all can see, this is the box from Lakme. Y'all must be aware, if you have watched my channel properly, then you must be aware that I have ordered their lipstick paint, pot paint or lip paint. These are the two shades which I got. One is Cashmere Mauve and one is Bold Crimson. Okay, the review video of this is also up on my channel. I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. Always, whenever the videos, if they are on, you can definitely check the I button. I will try to link all the videos there, so that you don't have to search the videos, right? So I will not repeat. So this is the next item from Lakme. So keeping this box also, one second. Keeping this box also aside, so second down. The third one which I wanted to share with you is from Flipkart. From Flipkart I got basically 2 items, and both were for review and showing you all. One is, I've already kept in the wrapping. This is from Mars Cosmetics. It is the eyebrow kit. Okay, and this retails for 199 rupees, but I'm not sure. I'll give you the buying link of each and every whatever possible buying links. It will be pinned in the comment section, so you will check it out. You can check it out and you can buy it for yourself. And also for Smitten, I have a referral code. If you will use my referral code, you will get some discount. So why not to save some money? You can use my referral code. Even that will be given in the comment section. It will be pinned. So this is basically the eyebrow kit from Mars Cosmetics, because I had not seen any review and I've already made a short video on this eyebrow kit. So if you have not watched, you can search on my playlist short videos. In that you can find this Mars Cosmetics short video there. Then I have this Zayn and Myra Glint and Glam Blush and Highlight Duo. You all can see this is the packaging. Even this review video is already up, so whatever you want to check the I button or else in the description box. So this is the third box from Flipkart, third box down. Now we'll check MyGlam. MyGlam I have only one item, but for this item I had to struggle a lot with them. And for MyGlam also I have a referral code. I'll give you that also in the description box, or else even flash that code on the screen also, so you can use that code. You will get some discount. But I had a very good argument with them on the mail for this particular product regarding the discount coupon. Any case, nonetheless, I got this product for the review. I've already made a video on this. I'm not sure if that video is already up. I'll leave that in I, or else you can watch it later. For that you have to stay tuned. This is Lip Volumizer Instant Mega Plumping Lip Gloss. This is the packaging of MyGlam Lip Volumizer. The MRP of this is 699 rupees, but their referral code and everything differs for person to person. Keep that thing in mind. Yes, it differs. So fourth box down. Now we'll move towards Myntra. Myntra, during that EORS sale, if you have watched my video, I'm not sure that clothing video will be up before this or maybe after this. If it is before this, then in that video I have already said that I got few of the makeup products from Myntra, but I will not share right now, because for makeup I'll make a separate video. So this is the video in which I'm showing you the Myntra makeup items. I'll just remove because I've kept. Okay, the first one is this is from Physicians Formula. You all can see this is the basically eyeshadow palette. The palette's name is Smoky Plum. The MRP of this particular product is 750 rupees, but during that sale I think I got for around within 400 rupees. Under 400 rupees I got this, and this is basically a very teeny tiny travel friendly pack eyeshadow, so that is why I got it. And it is like if you are just running late and you just want to keep something on your eye, you want to just apply something, then this is very good. These two shades are very good. They are shimmery shades. You just have to apply with your finger and you are done. Then I got this Wet n Wild eyeshadow base primer. Okay, I have one video idea for that. I got this particular product, so even this was on very good discount. And of course, Meghna's haul cannot be complete without lipstick. So I was eyeing on this particular Revlon brand's lipstick. You won't believe I was not having any lipstick from Revlon. So that is why I got this lipstick. I will not open right now. This is the lipstick from Revlon. So these are the three products, first three in one box. And now we'll move towards the other products. This is the Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. Okay, even this was on very good discount. This MRP I think is, once again let me check the MRP, 850 rupees, but during the sale times I think I got it for 350 or maybe 400. It was around that price. So this is the first item, and the next two items are basically blush. I'll show you. I have not actually taken out from the packaging. I just checked and I kept it back. I'll open both the blushes. They both are from Makeup Revolution, and you will say ki then with Myntra, and don't worry, I have the label of makeup on that, so it is not at all fake product or something, and Myntra never sells fake makeup as far as my experience. So these are the two blushes. You all can see it is from their reloaded range, and each one contains 7.5 grams. One is Baked Peach and one is Rose Kiss. And there's one more is there, Ballerina. I have my eye on that also. So let's see, whenever I have a chance or something, I'll grab that also. Now you all will say, ki, why Meghna, you are only one, and then why you are hoarding this kind of makeup, then let me tell you, I do lot of comparison videos. So while comparing the products, I do require a lot of other products, and that is why I get all the products. It is not that I'm spending like this, I'm not using my brains. No, it's not that way. Whatever money I spend, I use my logic, and I think 100 times before buying okay, what use I'm going to get out of it, and then only I order the product. So you don't have to worry, even I don't have to worry, because I check everything and then only order, as I told you. Okay, so this is the next product, next box from Myntra. I'll keep it here only. And the last one is from Plum Goodness. This is basically their recent launch. I have not yet reviewed this. I just got this parcel. I opened the thing and I checked it. I'll just show you because I have not yet opened fully. I have basically ordered their 2 nail polish. One second. Yes, these are the products from Plum Goodness. I won't talk much about the products because I wanted to keep it suspense. I'm not sure whether this video will be up or maybe that. So these are the products. These are the just first glimpse of the products, and I'm just taking away because I wanted you all to see that video, and then you let me know how you find that video. Yeah, that was a small slash big, small, big, whatever you call, haul from my side. If you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Ask them also to subscribe my channel. If you have any other video suggestions, as I always say, please comment down below, or else you can DM me on Instagram. I'll give you my Instagram handle also over here. You people do watch my videos, but you don't like the video. What is the reason? Please don't do that way. If you are watching, then please like the video. Also leave a nice comment for me. Nice comment, I'm telling you, because whenever I read nice comment, I get encouragement to make more videos. So please do that. Help me, support me. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.